As soon as I come in, he's immediately trying to get on my shoulder. And then he'll actually talk in my ear. He'll tell you he's a good bird. He loves you. You're a good bird. I don't think he would be the same with anyone else. It would be wrong.
He loves my husband. He doesn't like for me to be in his room, but my husband can just go right in there. But I brought him home really to be my bird. I initially wanted Parrot, so I answered an ad in Fanbuster. He lives somewhere where he very much was not cared for, so he needed a new home.
What kind of coffee do you want?
Cheers, Buster.
When he first came home, he was actually great with me.
Buster, do you love me? You do?
And he cares for me. I mean, he calls me his mama. If he's in the other room, he'll holler, "Mama, mama." When I clean the house, I have to put him up in his room because he will just constantly go after me with the broom.
Get all the tight spots.
And then probably 6 months in, there was a shift. He bonded to my husband. The biggest thing I would say I noticed is me, while he's at work, he'll go to the front window and look for him, and he'll cry.
Buster, gotta be home a little bit.
When he got home from work, he got very excited, and then he liked to tell stories. He will literally like jump around and then tell him all about his day.
I was actually kind of afraid because I knew what they could do with their beak.
Buster, do you think that's a ramp?
So I would reach in and pet him through the cage. He would tell you that that felt good. And then he would slowly work his way to me and get up on my shoulder.
You gonna tell Dad a story? It's almost bedtime. You might want to tell him your story.
During lockdown, he worked from home for a little bit, and it just kept getting, more and more so.
It's come a long way. But now he has total trust with me. And he wants to do what I'm doing. He has chosen me, I guess, as his partner. He likes to have breakfast with me. And when I build something, when I fix something around the house, he'll sit on my shoulder and help in his way.
Are you on a new investigation? Huh?
We always say he's a human. I mean, he acts more like us than he acts like a bird. Is that your new rap? He understands when people come over, like he'll look out the door and see them. When we ask him if he wants to go outside, he'll go to the back door.
Scritchies before bed?
He definitely needs a lot of attention, but I don't think he acts this way to get it. I think it's just his personality.
He really is very unique in his personality and his ability to speak.
You know, he has stories. Why are you so angry? He'll tell me he's a good bird. He'll make kissy sounds.
He also does a lot with musical instruments. He's very much in tune with the rhythm and the music. He will try to create any beat when you start any type of music. He completely understands music on a level no one else can. There's several songs that you can play for him that he does know some of the lyrics to.
If I'm playing this little fake guitar slow, he'll start singing these lyrics that match the guitar. We've put on heavy metal before, and he immediately just started headbanging uncontrollably. But his favorite is Katy Perry. So he'll sing in a girl's voice, and he can clearly say California girls. If it's a song that he likes, he gets lost in it. So, and it was made you a little nervous at first, but now he's happy being the 3-year-old that needs the attention.
It is very challenging for sure. He does give me a hard time.
She could come over to me and hug on me and kiss me, and he can be jealous.
Do you want me to stay?
But
I don't have a problem with it at all.
Or do you want me to leave?
I don't take it personal. It's a very common thing with parrots that they do pick who they bond with.
Peekaboo!
It's his preference. It's Buster's world. We're just living it. This is kind of like having another child. So it's nice to see any rescue parrot be able to go somewhere and feel that love. He makes us laugh. His stories are just mind-blowing at times. He brings a lot of laughter into the home, which is something that we enjoy. You know, we enjoy being happy.